Hi, it's Tanya again from Find Your English Voice. Welcome back. Last time we covered the physiological sigh, and today I'd like to introduce a second tool from the physical toolkit. This one works differently, but sometimes just as quickly, and it addresses a specific problem that many of the professionals I work with describe, which is the mental spiral that happens just before you need to speak English. You know this feeling? You're about to speak in a meeting, a presentation, or a conversation with somebody important, and your mind starts running. You're monitoring your grammar while trying to form your next sentence. It's almost like you're watching yourself from the outside, judging your accent, your vocabulary, your speed. And while all of this is happening, you're supposed to be present, clear, and confident. This spiral is the problem, and grounding interrupts it. Grounding works because of a simple fact about attention. You can't be fully present in your body and fully lost in your thoughts at the same time. So when you give your nervous system something physical to focus on, the mental spiral loses its grip, maybe not permanently, but long enough to begin speaking. And that beginning is all that you might need. Here is the simplest version. Before you speak, feel your feet on the floor and press them down deliberately. Notice and feel the pressure, the weight of your body through your feet. Or if you're sitting down, notice where your body makes contact with the chair. Take one slow breath. That's it. The whole sequence takes about, 4, maybe 5 seconds. That mental spiral is fundamentally about the future. It's like anxieties about the future, what might go wrong, how you might be judged, how others see you. Grounding brings you into the present and happens in the present. So the words that you need are available right now in the moment. And grounding is the bridge back to the moment where your English actually lives, as it were, in the moment, in the present moment. You can use grounding at 3 points before you speak as preparation, or during a natural pause in the conversation to prevent that spiral from taking hold if you notice that you're starting to go on like a negative thought loop. And also you can use it when you lose your thread mid-sentence, and it will give you something to do instead of panicking. Feel your feet, take one breath, continue. That pause feels enormous to you, but it's probably invisible to everybody else. This week's practice is use grounding before one conversation each day for 5 days in a row, if possible. It doesn't need to be high stakes conversations. You're just building the habit so that it's available when you need it. Next week, we're going to bring all of this together into a pre-speaking ritual. And the link to this month's blog is in the description. I'll see you next Wednesday. Take good care. Bye for now. And I will leave you with some socials and contact details. See you next week. Bye for now.